It's a brand new trading week, and definitely we're seeing a lot of action, coming for Bitcoin. But do you see any headwinds this week that could stop this rally we're seeing with Bitcoin?
Okay, the thing is, Bitcoin began its bullish movement during the weekend, and it has carried it even to the new week. And it's going to continue in a smaller time frame. I think it's going to continue to its resistant level, which is about 69, 70K. The thing is that technically we are forming a descending channel. So there are little possibility of a breakout. We rather have more possibility of a downside movement after we hit the resistance, just in a smaller time frame. Then I think there are some data we should look out for, which will happen this week, which is a macroeconomic data, which is the PCE data coming out on Friday. Is expected to be low, and this will potentially influence the Federal Reserve to cut rates. We are looking at potentially September this year. Since this, most of this expectation is coming since last month's CPI data actually came cooler than even expected. And it has led already to the market pricing in a rate cut, this year. Economics has also priced in that this week PCE data could be 0.1% increase, but still cooler, which will continue the slowdown on inflation. And it could lead, and it will actually lead us to actually the Fed's, below the Fed's 2% target, which they have always reiterated that once we have the 2%, that's when they will stop, this rate hike, and all that. But then when we also look at the fact that one of the leading presidential candidates in America is Donald Trump, who is a crypto president. There are a whole lot of more bigger time frame bullish movements, but for the week, I think we are going to continue our bullish level to the resistant level with more possibility of a breakdown rather than a breakout.
All right, but do you still see more inflows? We saw a record inflow about $17 billion into the U.S. Bitcoin ETFs. Do you see more coming?
We have already had the ETF being approved, so we are going to see even more volume come to the market. In general, institutional investors are going to have more bags in. And the fact that we're having this ETF being approved means that we are going to have traditional investors in the stock market now have Bitcoin, buying it as an ETF. So there's going to be a lot more inflow coming into the market. As a matter of fact, I think when we finally have that breakdown, we are going to have that massive major price surge because we've not had it. If you look at the resistance level that Bitcoin is in right now, it's the same level as at the 2021 bull market. So we have not had that breakup top that always lead us to that massive surge from alts.
And definitely, I know some investors are looking out for the glorious alt season at some point, if that's ever going to come. But thank you so much, Gilbert Joekpata, financial market analyst. Always great having you.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
All right, that's the show today. You can visit channelcv.com for more updates. I'm Ladi Williams from me and the team right here at Channel.